Hey guys, how's it going? How to use AI to manage your social media accounts like a pro. First of all, you need the tool to do that. In my case, I'm using Akoya, right? Go ahead to the Akoya. If you want to get to know more about it, you can type right here Akoya. AI, and you're gonna be able to basically see the tool. Your AI powered hub for seamless social media scheduling and content creation. Elevate your digital presence with smart automation and creative tools. So it's an AI assistant that allows you to automate and post consistently and schedule. Simply describe your ideal post and let their AI generate those for your social media. Right? You can here you can log in, of course, or sign up. In my case, I'm signing up. So you can see right here AI agent for copywriting. Why write captions or blogs? Let their AI agents do the heavy lifting. You can also hit continue right here to automate entirely. They can create automation to consistently post on social media and grow your followers. So you can go ahead and continue. You're now good to go, right? And of course, you need to subscribe to their plan, right? You can subscribe to the bronze or silver or gold, right? Which allows you to you know, to have 20 workspace, 20 users, 50 social profiles, 1500 AI credits, 200 gigabyte storage, copywriting languages, and 1500 automation runs, advanced analytics, and much more. You can get unlimited workspace, 15 users, 150 social profiles, unlimited AI credits, 500 gigabyte storage, and copywriting languages, and many more. So go and try go try for free, right? And you're gonna be able to start your journey with Akoya. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.